do this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abbi's madness. What's up, guys? On a good girl, back at it again with more of Abbi's madness. Look for the dog. So guys, as you can see by the title, good girl I gonna do a makeup tutorial for you. Alright, so people, but I forget rid of the dog because I'm not allow good girl to be great. Him no want to see good girl be great. You know how much time when I say Abbi, you want to makeup tutorial, not giving something, no? I'm gonna say people, I soon do it and good girl can't do makeup good enough. So I don't know one ask me for do makeup tutorial for. But as you can see by the title, me I gonna do a makeup tutorial for you because I'm going to one. But I'm a normal makeup tutorial good girl. No. When I do Abbi's madness, oh no, say a pure madness of a go on. So good girl I go show you how she do a makeup tutorial using kitchen utensils. Watch out, they say kitchen utensils. Yes, kitchen utensils. Come on, bad for the makeup, and you know makeup artists can use anything. And so go to the hit the like button, subscribe for the new, comment and share for more of Abbi's madness. If you don't want to see me and people, man, just fly over to Abbi and Kepa JA. Follow the good girl on Instagram below. So no further talking, I go stab you in the makeup. Don't try this now, people. Do not try this. You may tell you Jesus Christ before them. Do not try it. Lord Jesus, that come back home. People looking at that come back home. But can't worry, I never can do the video. Jesus Christ, we have to act like a mother. We have to act like a mother to save you. So I'm going to put him back now, guys, because as I said, I use dangerous equipment. I can't have it on me. After I know what they call Child Protective Service. So, yeah, pick up. People might have hiccup, I forgot frighten him. Oh, I'm still have it. Yes, guys, I don't know. Oh, I'm going to give him water. One on the people, one on the. So I said, when you have pitney, you know, you have to. Hey, pitney a bird or something. Oh, no, wait. So, guys, but decide, but I change my mind. I decide to have hiccup. I don't know. I just can't leave him by himself. He have too much hiccup going in. I have to make sure my son take care of. But hold on, it stop. It stop. I'm breath right now. Oh, look at that. Sevu. Mommy baby. Alright guys, I like when better now because he come just gone, so where you do, Sevu, where you do? So I'm going to put him back in another room because as I said, I don't want to hurt him. Do not try this. Only try this when you come to Abbi's madness. Yeah, because a pure madness will deal with. Pure madness. I'm going to put him down now. Lord Jesus, people, Lord Jesus. Look what the dog left from my shirt. Look what the dog left from my shirt. It look like one of my nipple are leave. Talk truth. Anyway, people, come back right there. So I'm going to stab you in the makeup also. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to go over there so for the equipment then. Girl, just snap your finger and make them reach you. Actually, no, I forgot so when you're editor so you can just like you have magic. Hold on. So guys, as I said, sit back, relax, and don't try this unless you visit Abbi's madness. Hold on, I'm gonna put on my good girl hairstyle. Yeah, my good girl hair and sucker, you know, good girl hair grew. And it's still a grow. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna use a spoon, you know? You have to start with the eyebrows and so first. So hold on the people, hold on there. Start with the eyebrows and so. Hold on, I'm gonna lean right here. Because I don't know, when I say I don't want to look at makeup tutorial. I mean, I say people, but good girl can't do makeup. And when I ask for it, you know, I'm gonna say, alright, but forget them what they want, give them what they want. Because obviously, we don't want to see the madness and so, you know. So yeah. Watch you know. Yeah. What dirty people say good girl and a makeup artist? Hold on then the people, hold on there. So eyebrows did. Next we're gonna use the knife to Too soon, guys, too soon. I'm gonna use the bread knife, see it here, and butter in the foundation. See the foundation, yeah? Fit 360, also. Put by the long ear, man, put by the long ear. Yeah, so you know you have to go so. I have to use the foundation now. I don't know if I want butter bread already, though. I don't know if I want butter bread before. I'm gonna move out the Rapunzel here. Butter bread before. So I don't know what I talk about when I say butter in the foundation. Yeah. When I have to skill that, you see it? When I do something get done up, of course I must know. If I never know that, it depends on Abbi and Capo J.A. Me and people, man, over there. So run go over there, because I know I love the mix up, and I love the people with people, man. So I go in with a look of concealer. Right there. Says Fawn, LA girl Fawn. I use the fat bottom. Yeah, I look a line out under here, so. Yeah, me a show no. Remember no a tutorial, so good girl a show no tutorial in Abbi's madness. We are so. Watch your magic. Boop. The next side though. I tell you when I want anything you can use magic and so come like you're a magician. Alright. So that's why I have the foundation back up here. So all I know, you have to go back in with the bread knife. Yeah, go back in with the bread knife and rub out the foundation. Rub out the concealer up here so for hide it. Yeah. Wanna see it? Yes, good girl coming on. And then now, we're gonna use this to put on the eyeshadow power. Where it is. So this is L'Oreal. That's something there. I'm gonna dig the eyeshadow right in there. Dig the eyeshadow right in there. So I'm gonna use this so. I'm gonna use the color here. I'm gonna tap here so. Tap it in there. Like we don't want the name of them here. Next people we're gonna go in with that color here. I don't know what name but I want color so come. Put it on top right here so. Yeah. Right here so. Right here so. Right here so. Oh no, look how good girl looking nice. Look how good girl looking wonderful. Hey, moving on now. Now we are gonna use the fork and fork in the wig now. Hey! Do the next one. I never know that somebody body now. No. Hey! People doing them come on so wonderful. The wing them come on too wonderful. Hey, listen to me now. Come back right there. So come back right there. So guys, right now we're gonna beat on the lipstick. See the lipstick, yeah? Right name 207. Royal. That word there. Wanna see what I'm talking about? And then we're gonna just beat it on. Bumbleclot. Hey! Why could you never tell me that something bad? Girl body, man. I never know that some body no. You know I see some. Hey, last but not least, we're gonna fling on the eyelash them. So I know a good girl have to go in with her ear glue because good girl now the lash glue. I feel like the ear glue will it better. Yeah, up. And we're gonna go so power on because it's safe, I know. Safe if you put it on your hand first. One of those little good girl and makeup artist, you know. Like a clamp on the lash them, you know, people. Who ya? Yeah. Blow up on it, look, make it dry, you know. But you have to make the lash dry, you know. I could never tell me something bad. Look my lash. Where the next one? What next one there? Don't you see what the next one there? I swear she can't go on. Bumbleclot, yeah. Hey! Beating the lash bonnet. No people, you be honest with me now. Good girl face no come out. Hey, one on them, I'm gonna play it on the shimmer. Bad. Too much shimmer. I'm gonna have to rub it out, you know. Alright. Magic, watch ya. Shimmer. Hey, why could you never tell me that so bad? No, my love, you could have tell me. Bad, me, I know not a friend, you could have tell me. Me is a professional makeup artist. kitchen up the makeup on my face. My bad no blow out. Who can't talk to me? Who never try to put on makeup using kitchen utensils? Hey, come here now, come here now, come here now, come here now. As I say, people, do not try this. Do not try this. But guys, if you're seriously want me to do a makeup tutorial, like serious, real makeup tutorial, get that video to 300 likes and we will do like a real makeup tutorial. Alright guys? So this was all fun and game, guys. As I said, don't do this unless on the part of Abbi's madness. Who am I say to no? Do not do this. So I'm fling this out of the way, you know. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for the new, comment, and share for more of Abbi's madness. And so no further talking, on a good girl is out. Bye.